This is day 13 of knitting a sweater without a pattern, and this will be the last day I work on this sweater. I started today admiring the sleeves that I redid yesterday. Then I picked back up where I left off on the body and knit just a few rows before going to knitting club. At knitting club, I started the ribbing portion of the body and I did a 2x2 ribbing, so knit 2, purl 2, which I continued working on once I got home. My plan was to knit a big chunk of ribbing that took up the bottom half of the body because for some reason I thought that would look good. Then I took apart the collar. It took me a while to fully decide I wanted to take apart the collar, but I'm glad that I did because I was feeling a bit iffy about this sweater when it still had the collar. But as soon as I took apart the collar, I realized I actually really liked the sweater and it was just the collar that I felt iffy about. And now there was just one more thing I needed to fix. After trying on the sweater, the big chunk of ribbing at the bottom was starting to look pretty weird. So I took it apart and replaced it with several rows of stock knit followed by just 3 rows of 2x2 ribbing to match the sleeve cuffs. Then I blocked the sweater. Now come back tomorrow for the final reveal.